We'll now have Flower of Scotland and our national anthem, both sung by Dusty Loveland.
Hut! Drum major, present, hard!
Oh, flower of Scotland, when will we see your like again? Who fought and died for your wee bit hill and glen, and stood against him, proud Edward's army, and sent him homeward to think again. Those days are past now, and in the past they must remain, but we can still rise now and be the nation again that stood against him, proud Edward's army, and sent him homeward to think again. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the hope of the brave.
Let's give another round of applause for